Let's create a Gmail account with our phone number. Install and open Gmail application on your mobile phone. Skip it. And now we are ready to add an email address. Select Google. And now here, create account for my personal use. Now let's give a Gmail first name and last name. Select the date and the gender. Gmail has given us the accounts or create your own Gmail address. So let's select the first one. Let's set up the password here. And now on the add phone number page, scroll down and select skip. And we have created the Gmail account and click on next. Now I agree. And now Gmail has set up my free account without a phone number. So I don't want to backup device data here and accept. We got the account here. Perfect.